This is how you assemble it. First, get the magazine, push it in, get the back part, push that in, get the grip, get the extension, put the grip on the extension and the rail. And this is how you rebuild it. And this, it has a lot of tactical rails, like on the side here, the bottom, here. It has a bunch of tactical rails that you can put stuff on. And next of all, we have the Molitor upgrade kit that has a bipod, a long range barrel, and another scope. And if you want to protect it, you just put another tactical rail. The bottom, you can see here, you put that tactical rail, put that on after you take out the grip, put it on, put that on, and then the scope, you can put it on the top, and then put this one on the side since it has a bunch of tactical rails. See, this is how I made it. And here's the scope, the bipod, and the long range barrel. Next, we have this boom coat gun. You just pull this blue thing back, and then it shoots. It only sticks to the target. And we have these boom coat balls that you can change color with. If you have like the red one, I only have these 3 colors: red, blue, and green. This is where all my blue darts are. And I have one of these. Next, we have a retaliator. I have 2 of them. I'll show you the other one. This is my little brother Eli's, and this is mine. You just pull the top part back, and then you can do it. This also has a lot of tactical rails, so you can put some tactical stuff on it. And this, you can actually put on the tactical rail. You have to fold it, then you can like put it on a tactical rail. And if you want, you can take this off, and this off, and put this on, and put it right on here. It's like making your own gun. These tactical rails, there are a lot, so you can make it really long. See how long it is? This is how big it is. You don't really, and you can put the extra one on this. But it doesn't look that cool. So next, and this is the magazine for it. It has one clear side and one blank. Next, we have the Nitron. This is a vortex gun. It doesn't have batteries. This is the scope that lights up. You can see it lights up. If you want, you can add this to that too, to the Molitor. You can see the other side. This. You can see now it has 3 scopes, and it's really long. You can see. And I'll show you how to shoot it. First, it's automatic. So you press the down button. See? And this is the jam door. Kind of got jammed. This jams kind of easily. So don't do bullets that are broken, folded, or anything else. And this is how you shoot it. That's how you shoot it. And this is actually really hard. You just put the magazine in. Pull it back. You can see that was a really loud sound, so it's really tough. And next, we have the long shot. The long shot's pretty cool. Pull it back, pull it forward, and then boom. I'm gonna demonstrate it with the Demolisher magazine. Pull it forward. This is pretty strong too. It's not that strong, but it goes really far. Next, we have a dart tag gun. The dart tag gun has a little magazine that's stuck to it. You can't take it off. You can see. And this tells you the max of how much darts. And you put a dart, pull it back, and forward. This jams really well. So here's the jamming door. That's pretty strong. Next, we have the Maverick. The Maverick is a little small gun. It's yellow.